Okay, so those guys who know us, who are following us, will know that first of all we've got a cat called Floof, but the other thing is that we are following Laurel's new rapid ROAS roadmap. So you've probably seen this a lot of times in your feed, and that's because we're testing it. Okay, so you can see how it works in real time. Obviously, if you do this, you do your own videos, and you probably make them look really nice and stuff because you're cool people. But with me, you just get me because I just show you who I am and I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, but tomorrow's going to be social proof. That's day 26. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do at social proof. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my Facebook page, just so you can see in real time this is real. I'm going to make me smaller. Oops, excuse me, my sister. And I'm going to go to my page because on my page I kindly asked a few people. Hang on, there's a motorbike going past. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Okay. I kind of asked a few people we work with to actually put some reviews on because I thought, well, I should really have some reviews and I never really think about it. So, oh, wow. Got 12 reviews on our page. Oh, thank you, everybody who went and put some reviews on our page. So, Quentin put a review on. Quentin's amazing, by the way. Mark, all these people I love so much. All of you. Wow. So, this is my social proof. Now, this is not everyone we've worked with, okay? But these are a few of the people who, who we have worked with, basically, in the past. And a lot of these people we still work with now as well. Some people we've done like a one-off, just helping them out because we know what it's like. When you have a really busy business and you're doing Facebook ads yourself or someone else is running it for you as well. That's the other big thing. Someone else may be running it for you and they don't know what they're doing, yet they're too frightened to say they don't know because obviously you've got the contract with them. So we have lots of these little things that go on. And so these reviews are from lots of different people for lots of different reasons. The majority of our clients, actually, we don't even ask for them to give us reviews. We should really, but they're also busy. So I was like, the people who work with us full time, I was like, I'd like to ask them, but I know that they've got lots on this week, so I've got loads of messages coming through on my phone. Just let me just turn off the volume. So anyway, this is part of my social proof. Now I have got a load of other social proof too, and these are generally from when we used to work with estate agents. A lot of this from a couple of years ago, and I've got testimonials. So you could actually go see these on tinasandford.com. Just go to testimonials. Oh, actually, Sean, we helped her out the other month. Brooke. And we helped her out again this year. Absolutely amazing people again. And Mark, we worked with last year. He's busy at the moment. Candace, we'd worked with when we first started doing stuff with Laurel. We helped her set up all our ads. And Bron as well, in our first year. Mark Hennigan was a brand new estate agent, not a new estate agent, but he was setting up his own estate agency in Reading, and he was our first ever case study for doing video ads. And he was an absolute star because obviously we were still learning back then as well, and that's like more than 2 years ago now. Jules was our very first case study of an established estate agent, and oh my goodness me, that went so well because first of all, they're an established estate agent. Jules she knows exactly what she's doing because she's been working in estate agency for absolute years. And in fact, she trained loads of estate agencies and pulled a load of estate agencies out of almost going bankrupt and actually got pulled back up in a short amount of time. So she was amazing to work with and almost too good to be true. And I think a lot of people didn't understand. A lot of people didn't think that it was possible because it was so amazing, the results we got. We actually had to just up to £337 ad spend with Jules and their estate agency she was working for. We had to turn off the ads because their agency just went crazy. But all that was good. Michael we worked with years ago just doing Facebook lead ads. That's where we started out. Facebook lead ads. Tiffany, we'd helped out with her. We just helped her out with her Facebook getting stuff set up. And I just said, do you mind just, because she didn't pay us. So do you mind just putting a recommendation up for us? But all these people we have worked with. Robert Freemy, last September, we helped him get his challenge filled in, and he didn't have a lot of money to down South Africa, so it's very hard to get everything balanced down there for economic, but we did it. He was great. Paul, we've worked with on and off for years, but he's a really good friend too. And Ron had actually experienced what had happened with Jules. They're actually friends, and he was telling us how he couldn't understand how suddenly this little tiny agency down in Crowborough, suddenly all their boards just started popping up. And he knew that Jules had joined them, but he didn't realise what else had happened. And he came to chat with us about it, so we recorded about that as well. And Jessica, we helped her get her ads set up. So Bill, I hope I can call you my friend. So Bill has been amazing. We helped him. We helped Bill set up his ads, and Michelle, she'd actually been in lean on Laurel, and she had loads of other things set up because, like, it's like you have lots and lots of different people who you follow, and she had a funnel set up already, but it's so busy. Again, such a busy lady. But all these people being incredible to work with, and I enjoyed every moment. So if you ever want to go and check out just some of the people we work with, I've actually lost count of the amount of people I've worked with doing lead gen and Facebook ads and things like that. So if ever you want to just ask us, can we help you? Please do feel free to ask. We can only work with so many people at a time. And I only work with people who are experienced and who have a decent ads budget and who are already bringing in clients and just want to kind of maximize what they're doing, because I can help people set up as well, but a lot of times it's very hard to set things up right now with online marketing. Not that it's impossible, you just have to be very patient. You have to have a big budget to get this working really well right now. And your heart has to be in it too. You have to have time, energy, and a very positive attitude as well as a budget. So there we go. That's my video for tomorrow. And that's some of my social proof. There is actually other things around, but I think that's enough for now.